Quickly, please. Thank you.
Hello, Clement. Andrew.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Please, kindly raise your hand.
Registrar, hold on. Mrs.
Hello?
Kolawole, let the claimant understand that he is in the court.
Yes,
And the
ma'am.
language of the court must be applied. There's no man in court, it's my lord. So talk to him now before we start. Otherwise, he take an adjournment.
Andrew,
Yes, madam.
you
Yes, my
address the
lordship.
court as my lord.
Yes, my lordship. Yes, my lordship.
My lord, my lord, my lord.
Yes, my lord.
Simply my lord, yes. And then you are in court right now. Everything you do is going on record. Do you understand?
Yes, yes, my lord.
So kindly raise your hand and repeat after me. I, your name,
Andrew Ehosa Asemota,
swear in the name of Almighty God.
solemnly in the name of Almighty God.
Swear in the name of the Almighty God.
Swear in the name of Almighty God.
Hold on. He's raising his hand, so it's affirming. Can you give him the affirmation, please?
Please repeat after me.
I,
Mention your names.
Andrew Ehosa Asemota,
Affirm that the evidence I shall give
affirm that the evidence as agreed
in this case
in this case
shall be the truth, the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
Mr. Andrew, you are hereby cautioned that if you tell a lie in your testimony in this proceeding or willfully mislead this court, you are liable to be prosecuted, and if found guilty, you will be seriously dealt with according to law. Do you understand this?
Yes, my lordship. Yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord. My lord, the witness affirmed and caution pursuant to section 206 of the Evidence Act.
My lord, I'm grateful, sir.
Yes.
My lord, prior to taking on the witness, my lord, the witness has some of the originals with him. He was unable to drop them, so I have all the copies. I wouldn't know whether my lord will allow him to show the original for citing while I will send her the photocopy.
Your case.
My lord, I'm grateful, sir. I'm very grateful, sir. Now, Andrew, tell the court your name and address.
I am Andrew Ehosa Asemota, 25 Avalanche Precinct,
The
Brampton,
court is
Ontario,
writing.
Canada.
The court is writing. Go slowly. Yes, your address.
Okay. My address is 25 Avalanche Precinct, Brampton, Ontario, Canada.
My address is.
Tell the court your address gently.
Okay. 25 Avalanche Precinct, Brampton, Ontario,
Avalanche Crescent.
Canada.
Avalanche Crescent. Where?
Brampton,
Brampton, Ontario, Canada. Do you recall making the court has speech. Do you recall making a deposition on the 14th July 2020?
Yes, my lord.
Do you also recall making a second deposition on 16th March 2021?
Yes, my lord.
My lord, 16.
Tell me the dates, please.
The first one. My lord, the first one was 14th July 2020. 14th July 2020.
And the second one?
My lord, 16th March 2021.
Yes.
Do you adopt these statements as your evidence in this case? Andrew,
Please, can you repeat the question? I didn't hear very well.
do you adopt those two statements I mentioned with their dates now as your evidence inside this case?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
You made reference to some documents in your written depositions, your statements. I want to confirm if you can identify your offer letter. Show the court the original of your offer letter and letter of confirmation. I know that's number one on the list. And the list attached to the complaint.
This is the original of my offer letter. This is the original of my offer letter.
I can't see it.
I have seen it.
My lord, I'm grateful, sir. What of your letter of confirmation?
This is the original of my letter of confirmation.
I don't know whether my lord saw. I don't see.
I didn't see that.
We can't see it.
It's not facing the camera.
Can you see it?
No,
Something else is showing.
that's the background of your system.
Let him face his camera. So
Face your camera. Let the camera face. Can you? Yes, yeah, show the court now. We can see you.
This is the original of my letter of confirmation.
Okay, now there's a reflection. You have to change the direction of your sitting.
Yes, this is the original of my letter of confirmation.
My lord can see now.
Yeah.
My lord, we humbly seek leave to present the original. The photocopy, I mean.
Is that all you're tendering?
No, that's not all. My
Go
lord,
ahead.
I'm grateful. Do you identify GSK shareholders communicate?
Yes, my lordship.
Identify this document.
Yes, my lordship.
My lord.
Yes, my lord.
Tell the court where the original is.
The original is with GSK.
Please identify your letter of cessation of employment. So, my lord. Show the court. Take it closer to the camera. Tell the court the date on the document. Tell the court the dates on that document.
The date is 29th August 2016, my lord.
Andrew.
Yes, my lord.
Tell the court the date on that document. The letter of cessation.
The date is 28 July 2016.
All right. Can you please identify GSK redundancy policy? Is this the document? Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it.
GSK redundancy policy. Have you
This is
seen it?
the redundancy policy.
Tell the court where the original is.
The redundancy policy is with GSK.
All right. This is employee handbook. Can you see it?
I can see it, my lord.
Tell the court where the original is.
I currently don't have it with me. I lost my copy.
Please show my lord your salary reviews. 2011.
This is my salary review for 2011.
All right.
My salary review for 2011.
Go to 2012.
2012.
Go to 2014.
2014. Okay. This is 2014, my lord.
2015.
This is 2015, my lord.
Remove your hand from the edge. Okay. Okay. Now show the court 2016.
This is 2016, my lord.
Thank you. Please identify your statement of final entitlement.
Identify, my lord.
Statement of final entitlement. Statement of final entitlement.
This is my statement of final entitlement, my lord.
Please identify your pension statement. Look at this. Is this your pension statement?
This is my pension statement.
Please identify exit pay by Akande Adesonya. And tell my lord where the original is.
This is Akande Adesonya cessation of employment letter. And the document is with Akande Adesonya, my lord.
Please identify exit pay to Akinyelo.
This is the cessation of employment of Akinyelo, my lord. And the
Then, my
document
lord,
is with Akinyelo.
all right. Please identify this letter dated 20th July 2018. Tell the court where the original is.
This is a communication. This is a communication
My lord,
of
20 July 2018. 20th. Tell the court where the original is.
the original of the document is with the SBFN Union, Suntory Union, my lord.
Yes.
Please identify this letter dated 24th July 2018. Can you see it?
I identify the document, my lord.
Tell my lord where the original is.
The original is with
24th.
July, my lord, 2018.
The original is with the SBFN Union, my lord.
Please identify this letter of 18th October 2018. Tell the court where the original is.
The original is with the SBFN Union, my lord.
What's the date, October?
My lord, 18 October 2018.
Yes.
Please identify this Punch online publication.
I identify the document, my lord.
Please identify Connect Nigeria publication.
I identify the documents, my lord.
Please identify Suntory redundancy policy.
I identify the documents, my lord.
Tell my lord where the original is.
The original is with Suntory, my lord.
Do you identify these certificates as your certificates of compliance in this case?
I identify the documents, my lord.
My lord, we only apply to tender these documents in evidence. And my lord, we seek leave to tender the copies of the original site.
Mr. Adeni, you reserve your objection to final address, please. This is Adeni. Adeli. L-I-Y-I. Okay, thank you. Yeah.
As a couple, my lord, we're very grateful. My lord, that's the case of the claimant too. I'm most obliged.
To listen to cross-examination questions. If you can help us to answer.
As a couple. Yes, my lord. Andrew,
Yes, my lord.
you need to listen to the questions very well and answer audibly so that the court can record you. Do you understand?
Okay. Yes, my lord.
Thank you, my lord. As a call, please. Hello, Mr. Andrew. Can you hear me?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Please, will I be correct to say that you no longer work for Sontori as of today?
Yes, my lord. I no longer work for Suntory as of today.
When did you stop working for Sontori?
Yes,
Do you
my
remember
lord.
the date?
I stopped working with Suntory 31st July 2020.
Okay. The last time you worked for GSKN was September 30, 2016. Do you confirm that?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. I confirm that. Yes,
September
my lord.
30,
I confirm that.
2016, my lord. September 30, 2016. And you started working for Sontori on October 1st, 2016. Do you confirm that?
Yes, my lord.
Now, whilst you were working for GSKN, GSKN never issued you with a written letter of redundancy. You confirm that?
Yes, my lord.
Yes or no?
I confirm that.
No, sorry, Mr. Andrew, is it? no, you are not issued, or yes, you were issued. Please let them. What he said, yes.
No, I was not issued any letter of redundancy by GSK.
As a corporate, I will also be correct to say that you were not also issued with any written letter of transfer to Suntory. Hello, Mr. Andrew.
I was not issued a letter of transfer to Suntory.
Thank you. Now, Mr. Andrew, by your letter of employment, which you have tendered before this court, the only end of the year service benefit you are entitled to is your pension contribution. Do you confirm that? By your letter of employment, which you tendered before this court, you have it with you?
I have it with me, my lord.
Okay, please. Could you go to page 2, paragraph 8?
Paragraph.
Page 2, paragraph 8.
Paragraph 8.
Yes, titled end of service benefits.
Yes, I can see it, my lord.
Now, based on that provision, the only form of payment you are entitled to after your service in GSKN is your pension contribution based on that provision. You can read it before you.
My lord?
Yes. Yes. I'm listening.
Andrew, address the court. Answer the question.
I can read the document. I can see what is written on the document, my lord.
Can you answer the question?
I can read the document. That's what is stated on the document, my lord.
What is stated on the document? Want to know?
Okay, could you please read it to the hearing of the court?
Okay. By acceptance of this offer of employment, you have agreed to participate in the National Pension Scheme, which requires you and the company to contribute a minimum of 7.5% each of your monthly emolument, comprising basic salary, housing, and transport allowances to your retirement savings account. The final entitlement payable to you on leaving the company would be in accordance with the law establishing the Pension Reforms Act 2004 and will be the only form of payment.
So you confirm that?
I confirm that, my lord.
Thank you. Now, Mr. Andrew, will you be surprised to hear that prior to you joining GSKN in 2010, GSKN had discontinued with the gratuity payment policy? Do you confirm that?
I cannot confirm that, my lord. I cannot confirm that. When I joined GSK, there was gratuity in place. My lord.
Now, lastly, confirm to this court that DSKN remitted your pension to your retirement savings account.
I confirm GSK paid my pension to my PFA account.
Thank you. That will be all for the claim witness, my lord.
Hello, that's the case of the claimant. We're indeed very grateful for the privilege. Yes, my lord. Just what my oh. You may exit if you want. My lord, with the I want to ask whether he will be. Are you willing to participate in the defense, to watch the proceeding for the defense? Or do you want to exit?
I want to watch the proceeding for the defense.
All right. And I will agree to, sir. God done. As a couple, yes, now he's always there. Together. What's it doing? Very well. I'm glad you're getting the flow. So I'm glad you're getting the flow.
I work with other brands, formal.
As a coupling.
Acting head of the area. Yes, it was my.
That's the one up to 20th day of June, 2022. Where the public honorable court will focus on the witness statement of it. That's what I'm talking about. That is the same witness statement of it. Thank you. You refer to happy document transaction.
No, my lord, I will reserve my. Yes, my lord, I do not intend to object to any documents. So as to settle, we want it. Madam, good, sir. Mr. Chekwa, please have a look at paragraph 10 of the statement. You stated that, Madam, paragraph 10 of the statement. You stated that I am aware that on 30 September 2016, the first defendant officially concluded a transaction for divestment of a part of its business. Are you there? Mr. Chekwa, there is no time. Are you there with me? Yes, madam, paragraph 10. That the first defendant officially concluded the transaction, the said transaction, on 30th September 2016. You agree with me that the date of conclusion of the sale was different and is still different from the date the APA was signed, the asset purchase agreement. And what precisely I mean that the APA was signed on 31st May 2016, but the sale transaction obtaining regulatory approvals was concluded by that September 30 you referred to, 2016. Do you confirm? The claimant was issued offer letter in May, in July. My lord, in July, it was in July. July 20, yes, my lord, July 2016. July 2016. After the business had been sold since May 2016. You agree with me, Mala, I've not concluded the question. You agree with me that the claimant's employment in the drinks business automatically ceased upon the sale on 31/5/2016. Automatically, upon the sale of the business. In paragraph 13 of your statement, you said that the claimant voluntarily elected to cease his employment with GSK. You agree with me that it was not the claimant that sold the business, and so that could not have been true. What's your response? In his statement, he said claimants voluntarily, he said the claimant voluntarily ceased his employment after the sale. Now, my question is, you agree with me that that could not be correct because it was not the claimant that sold the business.
That is correct. Sale, anticipation.
Do you confirm that by the documents before this court, the claimant's cessation of employment was occasioned by the sale of the business?
No.
Set the court the basis or the cause of cessation of employment of the claimant.
The claimants voluntarily ceased employment. The basis is the claimant he took on new employment. It's a new the entity that purchased
Yes, my lord. My lord, may I take two more questions? My lord, I'm grateful, sir. Mr. Chekwa, look at paragraph 12 of your statement. Mr. Chekwa, paragraph 12. Okay, I thought it still has it. I didn't know that. Taking paragraph 12. You referred to a negotiation, and you said the parties agreed in principle. The parties you are referring to there, as you put in the brackets, were the first defendant and Suntory. The claimant was not part to the negotiation. Do you confirm? Going by your statement. The first defendant, GSK and Suntory. Now it was put in brackets. He said the parties, open brackets, the first defendant and Suntory, and close the brackets with regard to negotiation. The claimant was not included in that negotiation, going by your statement.
The law is true that the parties there is the first offender and children. I'm referring to my statement, paragraph 12 reference. It speaks to the fact that the parties there are first offenders and children. And I said, yes, it is true that while it is the first offenders and children, we want to enable that conversation happen between the claimants. Look, my one because it's in the same paragraph. That's what I'm saying. Paragraph. In the course of negotiation of sales and the parties, the first offender and children, agreed in principle to facilitate and create an enabling platform to accommodate any employee of the first offenders who was desired to take on employment with children. So it was to create that platform. That was the conversation we had.
I know he has not answered my question. My question was related to the parties to the negotiation. I narrowed it down. The purpose of the negotiation, I have not asked him. A party to that negotiation.
At that point, because the asset purchase agreement was between two entities.
Yes, my lord. Now, Mr. Achekwa, that APA that was signed on 31/5/2016 contained terms of employment of the claimant, particularly that the claimant will go to Suntory for 18 months, after which he may be disengaged. And Suntory will pay redundancy policy. Will pay their redundancy policy. Their redundancy benefits, I mean, my lord. Their redundancy benefits. My lord, the question is, that APA that was signed in May, it was before the offer letter of July 2016. Those terms had been concluded before the claimant was given the offer letter of July 2016. And those terms were not contained in his offer letter. What's your response, sir?
No, I'm not sure. Which one? Okay, I agree. Yes.
My lord, that's my question, sir. I'm very good, sir.
I'm not sure. It's not true. What happens? You know, the rest of the if we not but how to get to the document. Conversation is the employees will take interest in taking up quality, goods, control, will be offered service, and they receive employment. That is the basic that I can speak as concerned. Every other thing except my medic, except counsel and some other information. Make sure I speak to it.
My lord? Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Were you given notice to produce the APA before the spot? You just confirmed to the court that you read the document and you were given notice to produce same. Tell my lord whether you have produced the APA before the spot. No, that's not my question. The question is whether he has brought the document and not whether the document is. No. My question is whether he has brought that document that he has been given notice to produce.
I friend, which is fine, was not notes. Because council said whether I have been
As the company, yes. As the company, yes. Well, that's the case of the claimant. I'm indeed very grateful to the court. I'll let him go. Thanks. Just continue. Because money. Minister there. Everybody control. Everybody. Yes, my lord. 21 February. You need to transfer this thing to the sequential. As the corporate. I know I agree to say. Yes,